These are all lemon. Lemon. Ah. Who want to eat native chicken?
First time ko dito makatikim ng bamboo shoot.
That's the pig farm. Pig
The dog.
farm. Yes, I don't like dog. Don't like dog. That's rambutan fresh from our trees. Ah, this avocado. A lot of avocado. Look. Ang daming bunga na avocado. Ah, yes. So,
Diba maganda
today's a
dun
fruits
sa-
day.
Maganda dun sa likod yung ano.
Na? That's, ha? May? May ano?
Santo.
Santol. Ah, yes.
Maganda dun yung ano.